The Laresar Evol 3's robot vacuum is a highly efficient cleaning device equipped with a powerful Japanese motor that delivers a suction power of 4,000 pascals, making it capable of effortlessly removing all types of dirt and debris from your floors. This robotic vacuum not only sweeps and vacuums, but also has a mopping function, providing a triple cleaning action that ensures your home is always sparkling clean. The Evol 3's is designed to be slim and lightweight, with a body thickness of just 7.6 centimeters, allowing it to easily navigate under furniture and clean hard-to-reach areas. Equipped with an upgraded internal battery, this robotic vacuum can operate for a lengthy 150 minutes when fully charged, and it has the added convenience of being able to recharge itself automatically. The Evol 3 supports multiple control methods, including button control, remote control, and a mobile smart app, and it can even be paired with Alexa and Google Home for voice control. With intelligent carpet detection, the Evol 3's robot vacuum automatically recognizes carpets and boosts its suction power to ensure effective cleaning, making it particularly ideal for homes with pets.